use? Short answer. Whose is a possessive adjective or pronoun used to show ownership and possession either in interrogative sentences or relative clauses. Whereas whose is the contracted form of who is or who has, which also is used in interrogative sentences or relative clauses. So the best trick to remember whether to use whose or whose is this. Use whose if you want to show that something belongs to someone or something, and use whose when you want to ask a question about who is doing or has done something. Wait a minute. You must know the difference between whose and whose, when to use whose versus whose, and example sentences with clear explanation in order to be sure about what to use in a given situation. So, give it a full watch to learn the meaning, rules, tricks, and differences between whose and whose. This video covers whose vs whose definition and meaning, when to use whose vs whose, examples of whose and whose,